Declaration of martial law. The grounds for the declaration of martial law are lawless violence, invasion, or rebellion. Other limitations. The President shall submit a report in person or in writing to the Congress within 48 hours from the proclamation of martial law or the suspension of the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus. The Congress, voting jointly by a vote of at least a majority of all its members in regular or special session, may revoke such proclamation or suspension, which revocation shall not be set aside by the President. The Congress may extend such proclamation or suspension for a period to be determined by the Congress, if the invasion or rebellion shall persist and public safety requires it. The Supreme Court may review, in an appropriate proceeding filed by any citizen, the sufficiency of the factual basis of the proclamation of martial law or the suspension of the privilege of the writ or the extension thereof, and must promulgate its decision thereon within 30 days from its filing. A state of martial law does not suspend the operation of the Constitution, nor supplant the functioning of the civil courts or legislative assemblies, nor authorize the conferment of jurisdiction on military courts and agencies over civilians where civil courts are able to function, nor automatically suspend the privilege of the writ. In the case of Davidia versus President Macapagal Arroyo, the court, quoting Justice Vicente Mendoza's statement before the Senate Committee on Justice, stated that under a valid declaration of martial law, the President, as Commander-in-Chief, may order the arrests and seizures without judicial warrants, ban on public assemblies, takeover of news media and agencies and press censorship, and issuance of presidential decrees. Worthy to note, however, that these cited acts that the President may perform do not give him unbridled discretion to infringe on the rights of civilians during martial law. This is because martial law does not suspend the operation of the Constitution, neither does it supplant the operation of civil courts or legislative assemblies. Moreover, the guarantees under the Bill of Rights remain in place during its pendency, and in such instance where the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus is also suspended, such suspension applies only to those judicially charged with rebellion or offenses connected with invasion.